Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTML course where I am teaching you how to create your own websites using HTML. So in the previous module what we have learned is the basic fundamentals of building your own websites and how a basic structure of a web page looks like. And in this module I am going to teach you how to write your first HTML code and make your first web page of your web development journey. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the video topic, making a web page using HTML. In order to code HTML, we will require a code editor, and in this course we are going to use the Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor, also known as VS Code. Now, in order to install VS Code, we will follow some very simple steps. Let us jump right into our favorite web browser and search Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Download. Click on enter. Now click on the first website. When you open the website, there opens three options for the download. One is for Windows, one is for Linux, and another for the Mac OS. In this course, we are going to code HTML in Windows OS. So we are going to download for the Windows. Now the installation has started. Wait patiently till its download is complete. As you can see, our download is complete. Let's open file. Click on I accept. Next. Click on next. Click on install. As you can see, our Microsoft Visual Studio Code has started installing into our operating system. And with this, we are going to start our HTML coding journey. Click on finish. As you can see, we have entered the UI of the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. With that, now you know how to install Visual Studio Code Editor into your operating system. Now, from the previous video, what we have already learned is the breakdown of the basic HTML structure and also the breakdown of the HTML element, where each and every tags and attributes were working together to form a web page. Now we will do the same thing in the Visual Studio Code Editor. Now we have opened the Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor, and in order to start coding HTML, we will click on the file option and then click on the open folder and make folder in your desired destination. Name it whatever you like. I am naming it HTML. And we have created our folder, and now right click and click on new file. Name it index.html. Now our VS Code editor has identified it as a HTML document because of the .html extension. Now what we have learned about the basic HTML structure, we are going to write the same code into the Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor. So exclamation doc type space HTML angular bracket close, enter, HTML, enter, head, enter, title. Now let's give it a title of hello. Now the body tag. Inside the body tag, here goes paragraph. Let's hit hello everyone. Now we are done with the basic structure of HTML code. Now let us save the file. Now open the location where the HTML document is saved. As you can see, it has converted into a web browser page, and our web page is finally created. As you can see, the title hello and the hello everyone paragraph. Let's open the code. See, title is hello and the title of the web page is also hello. Similar way, paragraph is also hello everyone and it is also printed on the body of the web page. Let's zoom it. See, hello everyone. The best thing about HTML is that it is not case sensitive. So if I do this, I wrote some tags in caps and refresh the page. As you can see, no changes has been made. It doesn't matter whether you write your code in tags in smaller case or uppercase, it will automatically identify your document properly. Now with a simple diagram, let us understand how your HTML code gets rendered into a web page. First, create a text document using the extension .html so that the document gets converted into an HTML document where programmer will give the source code of a web page into it. Then you send the HTML document containing the source code, which is sent to the browser, and then the browser reads the source code of the HTML document. And finally, the browser renders the source code into a user readable web page. So we have finally come to the end of this module, and in this module what we have learned is how to set up Microsoft Visual Studio Code and also start coding in it. We have made our very first web page on your web development journey by also understanding how a browser renders your source code into a web page. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to the channel for more tech and education related content. Thank you everyone.